So I unpacked all of my Dunn. It's kind of a lot. And we're gonna put all of that in here and see how it goes. I'm a little excited. This is the first time that I'm decorating this hutch for spring, and I removed all the mugs that were on the bottom because everyone kept complaining that they didn't like all the mugs down there. So I went ahead and packed them away. So I'm gonna have plenty of room to put all of my Easter spring Dunn. I think it's super important to start off with a clean hutch, so I'm going to be using this Method Daily Wood for Good cleaner. It is my favorite wood cleaner. It works on real wood, painted wood, laminate, any kind of like fake wood, anything that might resemble wood. This stuff will shine it up and make it smell so good and amazing. And I'm going to be doing the inside as well as the outside because, like I said, this is going to get decorated and then it's going to sit for a while. So this is really a good time between changing out your decor for the seasons to really give your hutch a deep clean. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to go in with my Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day glass cleaner in the lemon verbena scent. I just love the way that this smells, and it smells like spring to me. So I'm going to be using this to clean up the glass and my glass shelves. And you can get these from Grove Collaborative. That's where I like to get a lot of my Method and Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products, but I will leave a link in the description box below. That way you can try it out. You usually can get some free things that if it's your first time ordering from Grove, so you can get like a free 5-piece set if you use my link in the description box below. If you guys have been around for a while, you know I love my stacked bowls, so I'm bringing out I think 3 sets of stacked bowls for this hutch display, and I always get a lot of questions about how I do my stacked bowls, so I'm going to show you guys here. I think I do this every time I have my bowls in a video, but everyone always asks. So what I do is I just take my big bowl and I take a little Dunn soup bowl and I just flip it upside down and I lay that in the bottom of the bigger bowl, and then I will stack the medium-sized bowl on the bottom of that, and then also do the same for the medium bowl. I will take a soup bowl, stick it upside down, and rest the baby bowl right on top. And this works out great for me. I know a lot of people use a bunch of different ways to stack their bowls, but I've always done it this way, and they stack perfectly, and I can fill it with whatever I want.
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make me look.
Leave a comment below if you are just like me and you need to step back and take in your decor a billion times. Like, I feel like I go in, I rearrange, I have to step back and look. I go in, rearrange, and kind of step back and to do an overall, like, what's missing, what do I need. I don't love that there. I'm always like rearranging until I finally figure out what works best.
Know that I will cherish your memory. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm
I ended up picking up those little egg cups last year. I have a set of the little watercolor eggs, and then I have a set that says spring, and I like mixing and matching them together. I really do like the watercolor and the icon stuff to sort of break up all the words in my hutch, and I am happy that I ended up getting all of the colored egg plates. I had 3 from last year, and this year I picked up the Hello Spring, and I just really love all the pops of color.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me.
These little eggs are new from this year. I picked those up at a Home Goods, and a lot of the stuff that I'm decorating with is actually from last year, and a lot of it is from Home Goods, Marshalls, and TJ Maxx, with some of the eggs from Michael's. You can definitely pick up some really cute neutral farmhouse looking eggs from those stores.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me.
I'm going to take these eggs that I bought last year and fill the stacked bowls with them. I did this as well last year in my white hutch, and I had such a hard time. Leave a comment below if you remember that. I had such a hard time trying to fit all the eggs in the bowls, and they were just flying everywhere. This year I had a little bit better luck, and I really do like the way that it turned out.
We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am gold, I'm golden.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud.
I have these like rattan looking carrots that were actually a part of a garland that I used last year, that I bought last year, and at first I really wanted to add them in here, but the intensity of the orange and the green against all the pastels, I just really didn't like how it kind of really stood out against all the pastel colors. So I put it in there, I tried, but I just really ended up not liking it a lot, and so I went ahead and took that out, and I added these little bunnies, and then I'm going to come in with some lamb's ear. Lamb's ear always for the win. It's just the right shade of green for Easter, and it just looks so cute. So you can never go wrong with some lamb's ear. I had this, but you can buy bunches of it from like TJ Maxx, Home Goods. I think they have some at Hobby Lobby as well. Definitely use your 40% off coupon if you go to Hobby Lobby.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder. shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
A lot of the decor I am taking from Dollar Tree, things that I have saved. When I'm done packing up all my stuff, I usually just throw them in Ziploc bags. That way I can reuse them next year. And I put this bunny down there, but I ended up putting my home birdhouse down there because I felt like it brightened up the space a little bit more. And I'm just going to use some of this grass stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree as well in my lantern, and then throw some eggs in there and some of those little grass balls, moss balls I guess. And I just love how it kind of just springs up my lantern.
You love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
I love this little area. We use it as like extra seating in the dining room, and of course there's storage in the chest itself. And I bought this little bunny pillow from Home Goods last year. I have seen it in Home Goods as well this year. I just think it is so cute and neutral. And I'm just gonna set up a little tea party here. I just thought it would be really cute to have sort of a little tea party at the window seat.
Some would say I'm insane in the right and the way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy.
As we are getting ready to move, I wanted to keep my tablescape a little bit simple this time. I can sometimes go over the top, but I love that about myself. I like trying new things and having fun with my decor, but this time I am just doing a simple little table setting. And I got these napkins last year from the Target Dollar Spot, and I'm just using a little appetizer plate. And I don't always keep this setting out here, but since I'm doing a decor video, I thought it'd be fun to set up a little tablescape and do a centerpiece. We are, like I said, moving house, so all of this stuff is going to be packed up in a couple weeks, but I just wanted to have a little fun and hopefully give you guys some spring decor inspiration.
You love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
And those pastel little candle holders are from the Dollar Tree, and these little blue egg salt and pepper shakers are from the Target Dollar Spot from last year. And of course, I always have to do a thorough little vacuuming because of all the moss and all the things coming out from the bags. They just leave dirt all over the floor, so I'm just going to do a quick little vacuum.
Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found.
And now is my favorite part, where we do a all the afters, and I'm going to do some close-ups for you so you can get a good look at how I did everything. If you do enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I am doing a redone series every single Sunday, and I'm doing some decorating, and like I said, we're getting ready to sell this house and move into a much larger house, and there's going to be a lot of home makeovers and decorating and all kinds of fun things coming up on this channel, so I would love it if you would subscribe and hang out with me as we go on this new journey in life.
You in my arms one each other.